Hey guys, it's Sahur. Welcome back to my channel. You guys keep asking me to do more and more lip swatch videos, so I'm back today with another one, and this time it's a drugstore range. Today I'm going to be swatching the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colors. I have 12 of the matte shades, and then I have 3 kind of lip top coats, and I'm going to be showing you really cool combos with the lip top coats and the matte lip colors. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started, and I'll have a review of these after the swatches, which you can find at this timestamp. As always, thanks so much for watching, and if you're not already following me on my Instagram, make sure you do that. My Instagram is... Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Enjoyed that, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the lipsticks. Now the pros are that they're very creamy, they glide on really easily, they have a really nice variety of colors. The first couple of colors that I swatched, I thought they were a little bit too light for me, which is okay because obviously there are people that have lighter skin tones than mine and they do need shades that won't look too dark on them. And there was also a really nice mix of brighter, bolder colors like reds, blue, purple, black like we saw. The lipsticks are also transfer proof. You can use any of the lip top coats to change up the color and change up the consistency a little bit. The lip top coats have this really gorgeous shimmer in them that isn't uncomfortable or sticky. The lipsticks feel comfortable, they feel nice. I really like the red shade, I think it was called Firestarter. That was really beautiful. That was actually my favorite color. These lipsticks were definitely really good for their price. Keep in mind, Rimmel is a pretty affordable drugstore brand. Now on to the cons. I would say that some of the colors in this range, especially the lighter ones, they're not opaque in the first swipe. Some of them were, like this red and this pink. As soon as I applied them, they were opaque. They applied opaque. For some of the colors, you do have to apply 2 coats. If you only apply 1 coat, it comes off kind of as a tint, which also looks nice if that's the look you're going for. But if you want more opacity, you should apply more coats. The lipsticks take a fair amount of time to dry. I would say 5-ish minutes to dry down completely, which can be a plus or not, depending on what type of person you are. Obviously, if you're someone who's really impatient and you don't like to wait, then you're not going to like that. But if you're a beginner and you're someone who's very new to liquid lipsticks, I think you're really going to appreciate the fact that it takes so long to dry, because it gives you more time to work with the product. You know, you can kind of get your lip shape in properly. If something goes wrong, you can just wipe it and start again. So I feel like it's very, very beginner friendly. And yeah, the applicator is actually really nice. It's kind of long, but not too long to the point where it would be difficult to apply. Okay, so that's all I've got for you guys today. I really hope you found this video helpful and that you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You can find the links to all my other social media down in the description box below. These Rimmel lipsticks are available across drugstores all over Singapore, so make sure you go check them out. They're really affordable and very, very nice for the price.